Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm Tanvir. So today's video is about VPN. How can we add a VPN or free VPN easily in our Chrome browser like an extension. So first of all, I want to see you that some sites can't be open normally for our IP location like Quora. You can see this site can't be opened in normal browser. Then Reddit, this also can't be opened, and then Pinterest. You can see this all sites can be opened in our normal browser for our IP location. So now I want to see you I will use a free VPN extension for this browser and then I will try it. Just type VPN for Chrome, then click the first one. This is the extension. You just have to add it to your Chrome browser, then click add to Chrome, add extension. uh, okay, the VPN is added to our Chrome browser, and you can use it by free, not by paid. So we'll use it just by free. So then just click your extension bar, then pin it to your Chrome browser, and then you have to fix your VPN location. Now currently I am staying in Bangladesh, but I can use this VPN by only 5 location. Just click continue, then start, then fix your location. And free locations are France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK and USA, and the location is below is our premium locations. If you want to use it, then you have to pay. So I will use for free location it Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands, or it could be USA. Virginia, USA. Okay, then just click on this and your VPN is on. Okay, our VPN is on, and our IP is this. This is our IP. So let's try now. Okay, you can see the sites are opening. our sites are opening. If some sites can be opened, then you can change your location by clicking here, and clicking here you can change your location. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.